Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen, where today we are making a quick chicken marsala. I just created this recipe and thought I would share it with you because it turned out so beautifully. And you get to use your leftover chicken. You know, if you go to the store and you buy a roasted chicken or you have roasted leftovers, this is a great way to use them. Here's where we start. I have 2 tablespoons of butter that's going in the pan, along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I have a cup and a half of shredded roasted chicken, and this is a recipe for 2 people, but you can easily double this for 4. 7 ounces of cremini mushrooms. You can use the little white button mushrooms, mix those with shiitake if you want, or mix the cremini with the buttons, whatever you want to do. But a couple tablespoons of minced parsley. This is a mixture of half a cup of chicken stock and 1/2 cup of Marsala wine. And then just to thicken everything up and give it some body, I'm going to use some flour. So, and salt and pepper, and those are your seasonings. So here we go. We're going to start with about a tablespoon of olive oil mixed with the butter. The mushrooms go in. Little salt and pepper on that. This will take about 3 minutes, and then we'll add the other ingredients. Well, these mushrooms have browned. It's amazing how much they shrink. They've browned up, they're cooked all the way through, and now the rest of this dish is where I just add the chicken, and it's already cooked, so it really just needs to be heated through. So I'm going to put about a tablespoon of flour into this Marsala chicken stock mix. And then that gets poured over, and that's the dish. This goes in. You want to scrape the bottom in case you have any fond from the mushrooms. We're going to add parsley and taste it for seasonings, but it's just salt and pepper after that, and that's it. Serve this over spaghetti, mashed potatoes, or just eat it like this. It's delicious. Let me just taste some for you. That is really good. Okay, I'm happy. I hope that you try this dish. You saw how fast it went together. It probably took 7 minutes to do the whole thing start to finish. So please like and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, right here on YouTube, ninainthekitchen.net for recipes. Don't forget .net. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.